Road spike.
Alright.
Hey, what is that?
Small.
Oh. Still fine though. No clue what that is, like some handle or something. Pull it that way.
Oh shit, that's heavy. Oh my god, that's so heavy.
Oh, you dropped the other
thing. I dropped it, but this is heavy, whatever this is.
It's like a piece of steel. Hey! Your first spring. 1 second, 1 second. Oh,
one of those
ninja
thingies.
dish.
Isn't that what he got?
Cookie cutter.
Wait, we got some wire on there too. Hey, pocket knife.
What?
Hey.
Switchblade, it looks like. Switchblade.
It's broken. So this is the knife blade that she found. Here, Jeff, keep it with you. So it's in a good pile. Zippo.
You got a Zippo?
It's so old.